Take a ride in the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, rear-wheel drive, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, floor mats, console, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.